Stop the hate.
Choose one.
You gotta stop your war against us. We know what we are doing. We're the Scoot Nation. Never say, I can't find a parking place. You don't know where to go? Maybe to take the Scoot road? Or maybe to take other people road? Just take whatever you want. There is no more parking space for your Scoot? This is okay. You can park wherever you want. You can park on the sidewalk. It's totally safe for the walkers. Don't worry. Do you want to move stuff to your new apartment? Do you need a delivery company? No problem. Scoot Nation, get you moving. Stop the hate. Don't burn and break the wheels of the future. Join the Scoot Nation. Ride with me.